Thank you for being here. Cherries, with their vibrant color and succulent flavor, capture the hearts of people around the globe. Beyond their delectable flavor, cherries boast a fascinating history, remarkable health benefits, and versatile uses. In this video, we'll be looking into the world of cherries, from their origins to 3 popular varieties, examining their culinary uses, highlight their health benefits, and finally, touching on the prospects of growing them at home. Cherries have a storied history that dates back thousands of years. Originating in the regions now known as Turkey and Iran, cherries were a favorite among Roman conquerors, Chinese noblemen, and Greek citizens alike. The Romans in particular played a significant role in spreading cherries throughout Europe. Today, cherries are grown and cherished worldwide, embodying a blend of history and sweetness in every bite. The top 3 producers of cherries are Turkey, renowned for its vast orchard, producing over 25% of the world's supply. The country's climate and soil conditions are ideal for cherry cultivation, especially in the regions like Izmir and Manisa. The United States follows closely, with Washington State being the epicenter of cherry production. The US specializes in both sweet and tart cherries, catering to diverse palates and uses. Iran, closing out the 3rd spot, where cherries have ancient roots, remain a significant producer. The country's diverse climates allow for a wide variety of cherries to be grown, reflecting its rich agricultural heritage. Cherries have a variety of cultivars, each with its own unique characteristics. Let's talk about 3 noteworthy types. Bing cherries, known for their deep red color and juicy sweetness, are the quintessential sweet cherry. Originating in the US in the late 19th century, Bing cherries are perfect for fresh eating and desserts. Next, Rainiers are prized for their striking appearance, yellow with a red blush, and their sweet, delicate flavor. They are more sensitive to temperature and bruising, making them a sought-after luxury. Lastly, we have Montmorency cherries as the leading tart cherry. Montmorency is often found in baked goods, jams, and as dried snack. Their tangy flavor and health benefits have made them a favorite among culinary and health enthusiasts alike. There are multiple creative ways to use cherries in daily lives. Let's discuss 3. First up, cherries are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From the sweet allure of cherry pies and jams, they offer a unique flavor profile. The Rainier cherry, with its sweet taste, shines in desserts, while the tartness of Montmorency cherries is perfect for balancing flavor in savory dishes. Next, the health benefits of cherries have led to their inclusion in dietary supplements. Cherry extract, particularly from tart cherries like Montmorency, is popular in capsules and powder for its anti-inflammatory properties and sleep aid potential. The third way cherries are used is making their mark in the beauty industry. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, cherry-infused skincare products aim to hydrate, brighten, and protect the skin, showcasing the fruit's versatility beyond culinary uses. Cherry-derived ingredients are harnessing the power of nature to promote healthy, radiant skin, making cherries a beloved choice of beauty enthusiasts seeking natural remedies. Next, we will talk about the health benefits of cherries. Cherries are more than just tasty, they're packed with health benefits. Here are 8 health benefits cherry provides. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Research indicates that cherries, especially tart varieties, have significant anti-inflammatory effects, which can reduce pain and discomfort from conditions like arthritis, as noted by the Arthritis Foundation. 2. Heart health. Cherries are rich in heart-healthy compounds like potassium and polyphenol antioxidants. Studies suggest that consuming cherries can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, according to the American Heart Association. 3. Sleep enhancement. Cherries, particularly tart cherries, are a natural source of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Consuming cherry juice has been linked to improved sleep quality and duration, according to the Journal of Medicinal Food. 4. Exercise recovery. Athletes may benefit from cherry juice's ability to accelerate muscle recovery and reduce exercise-induced muscle pain, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, according to the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports. 5. Diabetes management. Emerging research suggests that cherries can aid in management of diabetes by reducing blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity, as referenced in the Journal of Agricultural Food and Food Chemistry. 6. enhance cognitive function. Cherries are packed with antioxidants such as anthocyanins and flavonoids, which have been shown to improve cognitive functions. These compounds help in protecting the brain cells from damage associated with oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases and improving memory and cognitive performance. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition highlights that the consumption of cherry juice can improve antioxidant defenses in older adults, suggesting a potential protective effect against cognitive decline. 7. Anti-aging properties. The antioxidants present in cherries, particularly in tart cherries, also offer anti-aging effects. These compounds combat free radicals in the body, which are responsible for aging and various diseases. By neutralizing these free radicals, cherries can help in maintaining healthier, more youthful skin and may even slow down the aging process. Moreover, the vitamins A and C found in cherries contribute to a healthier skin in promoting collagen production and providing natural sun protection. 8. Weight management. Cherries are a valuable addition to weight management diet. They are low in calories and high in fiber, providing a feeling of fullness that can help reduce overall calorie intake. Additionally, the anthocyanins in cherries have been linked to metabolic enhancement that can aid in weight loss and prevention of obesity. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food suggests that tart cherry juice can decrease abdominal fat and reduce the risk of metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that increases the risk of heart disease and diabetes. The final section we will cover is the possibility of growing cherries at home. Growing cherries at home can be a fulfilling endeavor, demanding patience and attentive care. Sweet cherry varieties usually require cross-pollination, whereas tart types are self-fertile. It is crucial to choose a suitable variety for your climate, ensure ample sunlight, and maintain the tree through regular pruning and pest control. While not all environments are ideal for cherry cultivation, with proper conditions and care, you can relish the fruits of your labor directly from your backyard. When it comes to the soil, cherries thrive in well-drained soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Sandy, loam, or loomy soil types are ideal. If you're growing cherries in pots, make sure to use a potting mix specifically formulated for fruit trees and ensuring good drainage. Additionally, choose a pot that provides ample space for root growth and consider placing it in a sunny spot to optimize sunlight exposure. With the right soil content and proper care, growing cherries in pots can yield delicious results right at home. Cherries offer a delightful blend of sweet and tart flavors enriched by a deep history and promising health benefits. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast exploring the versatility of cherries in dishes, a health-conscious individual intrigued by their nutritional benefits, or a gardening aficionado consider growing them at home, cherries have something for everyone. I hope this exploration has sparked your curiosity and appreciation for this fruit. If you enjoyed this content, click the link above to discover more in this series. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more adventures, and share your cherry stories in the comments below. Until next time.